pretty complicated, but I can explain it to you. I fully grasp the concept. There are some blocks. Are you still with me? Yes. Very good. And they are on some kind of chain, and this whole thing forms the blockchain. Yep, that's how it works. And that's what most crypto investors understand about the blockchain, unless, of course, you are smart enough to put all your money into Bitcoin. Yeah, that was the biggest YouTuber there is talking about the meme that is Carlos Matos. And in the news, we have hit 500 million market cap, so we tested it on Saturday, dipped from it on Sunday. Today, 501. Super steady growth. I'm not worried about a pullback at these levels of growth anytime soon. And I don't share that opinion as a financial advisor. As you all know, this is just my opinion. Just when you grow this steadily, a pullback is far less likely, especially when you start to get coordinated positive news like we're seeing. I know this is kind of like a joke, right? It's posted with the comedy tag. Russia officially legitimizes Bitcoin. Prime Minister of India embracing blockchain technology. Korean market, something good. That's excellent. But not to make light of that Indian Prime Minister tweet, let's have a look at it. Disruptive technology such as blockchain and the Internet of Things will have a profound impact on the way we live and work. They will require rapid adaptation in our workplaces. This is a huge deal. Let me tell you how huge. The population of India, 1.3 billion. Comparatively, United States of America at 323 million. That's a huge deal. And that is excellent. Speaking of coordinated positiveness, JP Morgan issues a report saying that cryptocurrencies are unlikely to disappear. It has great application. Thought you said we were idiots. But yeah, this coordinated stuff, it's kind of weird. How do they manage to coordinate it? Does the Illuminati actually exist? If they did, you'd think they'd have enough money. But it's quite smart, really. You can't travel back in time to get cheap Bitcoin. But hey, if you can leverage those that follow you into crashing the price so you can pick up more for yourself, then they'll buy it off you. Remember what McConaughey said. Now, at some point, this is going to get bigger than you can ever imagine. So if you have the opportunity to invest in a revolution, which is still in its infancy, it's just getting started. Learning to walk before it can run. You don't risk your investment by day trading and all, because then you give your money to the whales. Bitcoin is still outpacing many other cryptocurrencies as of right now. If you switch the price to Bitcoin, you can see Ethereum is still down from its recent highs of 0.1 Bitcoin. It is now 0.084. Many other coins are also in the red. Now, a Polish bank paid a Polish YouTuber to create a negative video about cryptocurrencies. Hey guys, if you want to hit me up, I'm here. You know what they say, first they ignore you, then they fight you, then you win. Mahatma Gandhi, creator of Bitcoin. Many people excited about Bitcoin's future, about instantaneous transactions through the Lightning Network. If you want to see how fast it is, just check this out.
Ready? Go.
Yeah, that was a little weird, but still insanely cool. It is so ridiculously fast. Things are really going to change. And in case you were worried about some of the accusations that have been levied against the Lightning Network, Andreas Antonopoulos spells out 6 common misconceptions. I will leave this linked below. First question is, Lightning Network will centralize Bitcoin. Wyoming Senate bill proposes to exempt cryptocurrencies from taxes. Oh, that looks really nice. It does sound bad. But as far as I'm aware, even if the state does not tax you for crypto, federal tax still applies. So I don't know how attractive this is to most Americans. I guess it depends. Let me know if you guys like Wyoming and if any of you would move. And in altcoin news, slim pickings really. No one wants to trade or announce anything while altcoins are in a bit of a slump, except for OMG, which has been in the news a lot recently. Now, my Japanese is a little rusty, and by rusty I mean totally non-existent, But I am informed that this is an announcement from the OMG team that they are working with some Thailand government agencies on utilizing ID verification using blockchain. Certainly one of the most proactive projects on the Ethereum ecosystem. And as far as what the market makes of that announcement, pretty good. I'd say business as usual, but it's been doing very well as of late.